One team left, by the way, in Court Kings, the Sixers for $59. All right, what's going on, everybody? Conrad here from Mojobreak.com on Wednesday, June 17, 2020, to do another single briefcase break of high-end 2019 Flawless Football. This is random left side serial number 22. Let's go random.org to determine your numbers. Good luck to everybody in the break. First, we're going to roll the virtual dice on random.org to see how many times we randomize. If we roll a snake eyes, it would have fall to 3 randoms. And we'll go 6 times for this one, 4, 2, 6. All cards of Flawless are numbered to 25 or less, so we're going to randomize your left side serial numbers 1 through 25 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th and final time. And it is 15 down to 1. 6 times. 15 to 1. Now we're going to go 6 times for your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stephen M. down to Hotto on the bottom. 6 times. Alright, let's check out your numbers. Stephen M. got the 15 and 19 spot. M. McDowell got 9, OWH 12, Hotto 23, Michael James 24, Pistol 6, Sean 10, M. McDowell 16, Jimbo 17, Nick with the 8th spot, 2 Jimbo, OWH 25, Piano 11, SGS 7, Hotto 13, Sean with the 22 spot, Equicheck 14, Pistol 18, Bakuya 21, Sean with the 4 spot, Gotti with the 3 spot, Joey M with the 5 spot, Bakuya 20, Hotto with the 1 spot. So anyone wants to go to Hotto. Alright, good luck everybody. Let me get the numbers on the screen real quick in order. Good luck. Alright, let's go. Let go. It's 180 over here. Bro. We'll get right into the basketball break next. Alright, blockchain card on top. If it's not a 101, we'll randomize it to everybody at the end of the break. And it is Emerald, Big Ben, so that's not a 101. Patch Auto, Ben Roethlisberger. We'll randomize that to everybody at the end of the break. First hit is a 2-color patch of Michael Strahan, 13 out of 20. Strahan patch, 13. 13 is Hotto. Three-color patch, another Big Ben. This one's for the 4 spot, 4 of 25, Ben Roethlisberger. Oops, small. 4 of 25, Ben Roethlisberger. Sean with the 4 spot. Dual window patch auto Austin Keller for the 2 spot, 2 of 25. 2 is Jimbo. Greats auto Steve Atwater for the 4 spot, 4 out of 25. So that's another one for the 4 spot and Sean. Greats. Another greats. We got Gotti on the board with a Steve Largent. 3 out of 15. 3 out of 15. Two-color patch auto. Nice bet. Reggie Wayne for the 1 spot. 1 out of 10. Reggie Wayne patch auto. 2 color patch auto. 1 out of 10. Hotto with the 1 spot. Reggie Wayne. And you got a Greats auto ending out the box. Inner box. Brian Urlacher for the 9 spot. 9 out of 10. Urlacher. 9 is Ed McDowell. Great. It's Brian Urlacher. Alright, let's see what we got inside for the main hits. Then we got to randomize the blockchain. Same guy I saw on the briefcase on Monday. First up, Dwayne Haskin, quad rookie patch, 2 out of 10. Dwayne Haskin, 2 spot Jimbo. Congrats, quad rookie patch. Encased Haskin. Legendary Diamond, 3 out of 7. Gotti with the 2nd hit. Nice Deion Sanders Diamond. Legendary. And the main hit, dual window rookie patch auto. Let's go. 10 out of 15, and 10 is Sean. Congrats, Sean. My boy Josh Jacobs, 10 of 25. Going to Vegas, baby. 10 of 25. Congrats, Sean. All right, that's going to close it out, guys. Nothing left in the briefcase. Congrats, everybody that hits. Everybody had a shot at 1 more hit in the break. It's going to be for the blockchain. Let me set that up really quick. Blockchain Big Ben. We're going to randomize all your names. What was it? 6 more times. Top name after 6 will get that card. 6 times, yeah, like we did for your original spots. Good luck. Top name gets the Big Ben blockchain digital card. 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's gonna go to Sean SR Andrews. 6 times. All right, that was it. Flawless random number 22. We'll probably have another one this weekend. Appreciate you guys. Peace. Basketball is coming up next. All right, 3 basketball breaks to close out the night, guys. The 6-box mixer, a half case of Court Kings from a brand new case, and then National Treasures random groups. So I just put 4 on that one. Is it first 15? Court Kings officially sold out. That'll be right after we do the 6-box mixer. All right, so we just got to fill up the National Treasures, guys. 3 left. In the it's the Lakers Heat Mavericks group. And it's discounted too by it's $50 cheaper now, that group, the Lakers group. 3 left in that one. It's an 8-box case, right?